welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to generate AI images with dall-e 3. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to generate AI images with dall-e 3, then all you gotta do is simply go to dall-e 3. So to generate AI images with it, you primarily use it through platforms like ChatGPT Plus or Microsoft Copilot. You need the Bing Image Creator and provide detailed text prompts to describe your desired image, including style, example oil painting, photorealistic, and content, and then refine the results with natural language follow-up requests for tweaks. So the AI interprets your prompt and generates several variations and allows for iterative improvement, making it easy for both simple ideas and complex scenes. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.